Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Lost Page of Physics. Here we basically discuss physics topics and multiple choice questions for competitive students, particularly for those who are willing to take admission in various courses like graduation, masters and beyond. Topic 1, Lecture 2, Linear Algebra Matrix, and next few lecture will be on this topic. Today we will discuss solution of the problem given in last lecture, trace of a matrix and properties, transpose of a matrix and properties, transpose conjugate of a matrix and properties, matrix multiplication, properties and example of matrix multiplication, and at the end of this lecture I will give you a interesting problem. Problem number 1, which is given in previous lecture. If each element of K cross K square matrix A can be chosen as a Boolean variable, then one can construct m number of different combinations of matrix A. Therefore, m is equal to option A 2k, option B 2 to the power k square, option C k square, option D 2 to the power k. So, here total number of elements equal to k square. As the matrix A is K cross K square matrix, each element can be chosen to be 0 or 1 because Boolean variables are 0 and 1 in two ways. So entire K square number of elements can be chosen in 2 into 2 into K square times equal to 2 to the power K square. So correct option is B. Let me start with trace of a matrix. Trace of a matrix is defined as the sum of the principal diagonal elements of a matrix. That is, trace of A equal to A11 plus A22 plus A33 plus plus ANN equal to summation over I equal to 1 to n AII. For example, trace of A equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is called identity matrix of order 3 cross 3. Is trace A equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Now, properties of trace of a matrix. First property, trace of A plus B equal to trace of A plus trace of B. Second property is trace of C into A equal to C into trace of A, where C is a constant. Third property is trace of A into B equal to trace of B into A. Fourth property is trace of ABCD equal to trace of BCDA equal to trace of CDAB equal to trace of DABC. Now, transpose of a matrix. By interchanging the rows and columns of a matrix, we will get the transpose of the original matrix. For example, transpose of A equal to ABC DEF is A transpose equal to AD BE CF. Now, properties of transpose of a matrix. First property, A transpose equal to A. Second property, AB transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. Now, transpose conjugate of a matrix. It is obtained by taking the transpose of the original matrix and then taking the complex conjugate of each element, or vice versa. That is, A dagger equal to A transpose star, where star is the complex conjugate, equal to A star transpose. For example, if A equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, then transpose conjugate of matrix A will be A dagger equal to A star, D star, G star, B star, E star, A star, C star, F star, I star. Now, properties of transpose conjugate of a matrix. First property is A dagger whole dagger equal to A. Second property, AB dagger equal to B dagger A dagger. Now, matrix multiplication. The product of matrix A equal to Aij of order m cross n and matrix B equal to Bij of order r cross p is defined if and only if r equal to n. That is, number of columns of first factor A equal to number of rows of second factor B, and is then defined as the m cross p matrix C equal to Cij of order m cross p, where Cij equal to sum over k equal to 1 to n aik into bkj equal to ai1 into b1j plus ai2 into b2j plus plus ain into bnj, where I equal to 1 2 m and j equal to 1 2 p. That is, if a equal to a11 a1n am1 amn and b equal to b11 b1n bm1 bmn, then c equal to a11 plus b11 a1n plus b1n am1 plus bm1 amn plus bmn. For example, AB equal to 437290 into 2516 equal to 4 into 2 plus 3 into 1, 4 into 5 plus 3 into 6, 7 into 2 plus 2 into 1, 7 into 5 plus 2 into 6, 9 into 2 plus 0 into 1, 9 into 5 plus 0 into 6 equal to 11, 38, 16, 47, 18, 45. Properties of matrix multiplication. First property, AB not equal to BA in general. Second property, AB equal to 0 does not necessarily imply A equal to 0 or B equal to 0 or BA equal to 0. Third property is AC equal to AD does not necessarily imply C equal to D. Property number 4, KA into B equal to K into AB equal to A into KB, where K is a constant. Property number 5, A into BC equal to AB into C. Property number 6, A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. Property number 7, AB transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. I told you that at the end of this lecture there will be a problem. So here the problem is the trace of a real 4 cross 4 matrix U equal to exponential A, where A equal to 0 0 0 pi by 4 0 0 minus pi by 4 0 0 pi by 4 0 0 minus pi by 4 0 0 0 is option A 2 root 2, option B pi by 4, option C 0, option D 2. Solve this problem and write your answer in comment. I will solve this problem in next lecture on next Sunday.
Never miss a video. Subscribe our channel, The Lost Page of Physics, to get lectures on every Sunday. And press the bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching.